Okay, all rise. Honorable Judge.
You all can be seated. Alright, we're brought here today. Serious court case, sorry, with the prosecution over here on the left side and the defendant over here on the right. We're going to start with the prosecution. If the prosecutor or the lawyer would like to come up to
Yes, I'd
plead
like
their
to make
case.
the opening case.
That's the thing.
Alright. My client, Sulivan James over here, is being represented by me, Sulivan James. And it is against that man right there, for fiddling his bumhole. And in this court case, we'll be providing evidence and testimony that proves he's liable.
This man.
I'd like to pull up a witness.
Oh, granted.
Alright. Me, as the attorney, Sulivan James, would like to bring up for my client, also Sulivan James, a witness for the event of that captain. And that witness is Sulivan James, so if you could come here. Do you swear to tell nothing but the the truth or something?
I abstain.
Alright, good enough. Okay. Were you outside the room at the time for the man getting touched that ended up my client running out crying after he was touched?
I was in the lower bunks, yeah, near the north side bunks earlier, yeah.
What did you hear when you were close to this event?
Well, I just heard first of all like what I thought was some sort of fight, and then I heard a little bit of screaming, which later turned out to be some sort of deep moaning, and I couldn't unlock the door, so who knows what was going on behind it. But
So-
afterwards, while I was walking away, the door opened and I witnessed that man over there run down the hallway crying.
Oh, we also have got DNA evidence of this. Of semen traced in this man's arsehole. And we've identified it with the captain's.
Does the defendant's lawyer have anything they would like to say?
I do. If you don't mind, I'd like to call Nugget to the stand, if that's okay. Which will be
Granted,
Sulivan
Mr.
James.
Oh, okay.
You sit down. You fucking sit down.
Oh,
not
wrong
you,
one.
him.
Sorry.
No, you.
I-
No, you.
Wait,
yeah.
wait.
So, Sulivan James. Where
Yeah.
was my client when... Where was my client where this happened?
Where? Me?
For fuck's sake. Yes.
Oh, well, it's it's hard to bring up. It's kind of hard to bring up, so I'll try compose myself. Where was that man right there? He was in the bunks.
Yes, that is my question.
He was in the
He was in the
bunks.
bunk. And where were you at the time?
Hang on, let me just breathe for a bit. It's hard, thinking back. I was there with him
You was there with him in the same bunks or different?
in the same bunks.
Why was you in the bunks with my client in the first place?
Well, Christ was telling how a good job I was doing, and he was saying like how I was one of the best troopers he's ever seen, and he wanted to reward me, and I was overjoyed. I couldn't tell you how overjoyed I was, and so I followed him willingly into the bunks, and that's when it all happened.
And what did you do that was so special for my client here to congratulate you on, so cool?
Oh, the list could go on. I've done so many things for the server. Stone could probably testify that I've done so much good things. But I'd be here all
Please
day.
name 5.
I can't count that high.
Please name 3.
Ah, second
I'm sorry,
lieutenant.
I'm
How would
sorry.
you describe your relationship
Why are you
with
sat like that?
this filthy man
My
over here?
ass is sore over what Christ did.
Abusive.
Abusive? Word abusive, Your Honour. How would you describe this abusive nature? Would it be instinctual, by any chance?
Yeah, he touches me all the time, calling me his good little senior.
Objection,
medic
hearsay,
all
that was not the
time.
question.
What was the question?
The question was asking was he abusive, not why and what he's done.
Yes, it was, sure. Now, I'd like to bring up a, not test,
Please,
but
one
an
question.
example. You, come. Break, where are you?
Your Honor.
You, come. Could you demonstrate on this man right here when he stands on the stage whereabouts Mr. Captain has been touching you?
Oh, you fucking kidding me?
Everywhere.
Could
Every
you point
place.
The most average he's been touching.
Right up here. Right in
He's
there.
pointing to his ass, ladies and gentlemen. He's pointing to his ass. He's pointing to his ass.
Every angle.
I see.
Every hole.
I see.
Every inch of it.
Thank you. You're very
Well,
good. You're very
now I
brave
feel
today.
like
I'd
I
like to
need
ask
to
you
shower.
one last. No further questions, Your Honour.
Alright.
Brave man.
Okay. For any final verdicts, does the defendant's lawyer have any final statements to say?
Yes, I do. But I would like to bring up my client to the stand, please.
With this, Christ, please sit down.
Yes.
He's looking at me weird again.
Can the jury please make their way to the other room with Venati to discuss the defendant's, yes.
He,
I need justice. He can't keep
Shut up,
getting
you
on.
little whiner. Stop
Where the
whining
fuck's
about
that
it.
lawyer?
He can't get
Everyone
away
gets
with
touched eventually.
it. He
Grow a
touched
pair.
me
Grow a pair. Grow a pair.
Hello.
every night.
Right,
I was
you.
in the room.
No,
I'm
get the
here.
way out. Get out.
I am a
It's
juror.
out.
No, wait, I'm part of the jury. I'm part of the jury. I'm part of the
No.
jury.
You're the fucking
Freedom.
You're the victim.
So that
Ju-
hurt?
justice. Justice for Nugget.
Bring him back.
Justice for Nugget.
Shut up, baby.
What are you doing in here for?
Go cry on
I
the
wanted to be
corner.
the
On
jury.
the seat. Can 212 Captain M.O. Cry stand? From the court's decision, the jury has decided with majority verdict.
Yeah.
You to be sentenced guilty with 5 years suspension of your medical officer license
Yes.
and paying a $200,000 credit towards the victim.
No.
That's me.
And
That's me.
victims.
That's me. I'm the victim.
I take.
Do you have
half
any
of that.
statements to say?
I do not have them on me.
Look at him. He won't even say anything. The guilty fuck. Look at him.
You can be seated.
I can pay for it. I can pay for it.
No, you can't, Dave. Shut up.
With
Wait,
this
Your
said,
Honour.
Chop off his penis.
order in the court. With this said, this will be today's court in ruling out. Thank you for attending, and the jury. Wishing the prosecution, family, and the lawyers a good health. And with that said, you can all stand, salute, and leave.
With
in
all the
orderly
money I'm
fashion.
about to get, I think I can go back to society. Society better give me my money. Where's he gone? Give me my money. Give me my money, Christ. Give me my
Hey,
money.
what's up, bitch?
Give me my money, Christ.
Cries, I will
Christ,
deal with the
give me my
money.
money. Give Christ.
go
Where is he?
somewhere.
Where'd he go?